welcome back to the Sunday session. Hope you're all keeping well. So this week I'm delighted to be joined by Séamus O'Donnell. Séamus is a brilliant musician from Clare in County Sligo and now living down in Michael Coleman country in Gurteen. So thanks a million, Michael, for playing this lovely air on the sax. It's called Cailín no Gruaige, the girl of the brown hair. And you'll have heard Séamus playing with the brilliant band At the Racket before, and the sax was just such a lovely sound in that band. So yeah, and you'll see a gorgeous castle there as well that I asked Séamus about in the background. Is called My Gara Castle. So thanks a million, enjoy it, and I'll speak to you all next week. Okay, bye.